Part of summer is swimming in my pool.
Oh, summer. It sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
People from the homeland, we've got the table out of the clamps, all glued up. I'm gonna go ahead, take my scraper over there. I'm gonna get rid of the excess glue. Then I'm gonna take my sander with some 80 grit paper, get this thing nice, leveled. I'm gonna end up sanding both sides. Then I'll throw some 120 grit in my belt sander, and then from there I'll hit it with a palm sander and maybe get it up to about 220 grit. I think that'll be more than enough. But this tabletop is extremely heavy. It's thick, it's large, and it's quite heavy. I can't wait to get it sanded down to see how good we did on the joints. Sweet, now that we've got the top sanded down and sorted, here I'm working on the legs. Yesterday I went out to the hardware store, picked up some 2x12s, and I had them cut them down to 36 inches. My legs, this portion of my table is going to be 27 inches. It's going to give me a total height off the ground. What I'm looking for is about 32 inches. Average is 30. I've got some chairs that need to fit under the top, so I'm making my table 32 inches off the ground. But what I've done here is I've got 7 2x12s lined up. I'm going to grab my glue. I'm going to grab my roller. I'm going to roll glue on both sides of the boards there. I'm going to clamp those up, and when this is dry, mark my center, and I'm going to throw these on the lathe, get them round, and we'll make some beautiful table legs. So this is just one. I've got kind of dry fitted. I've set my compass here. I've got the other sitting over there. I'm going to grab some clamps, grab a whole lot of glue, and get these bad boys glued up.
Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. Oh, summer. It sounds good right now.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got the top sanded down to 320. That thing looks amazing. Sorry, the maple is really bright in the sunlight, so that's that. We've got our legs sitting over here on the, I guess you'd call that the trestle. So we've got the two turnings there. That bottom portion is going to be white. I've got everything sanded down in front of me to about 150. The tops sanded down to 320. I'm ready to put a coat of shellac on that. That needs to get primed and painted white. Here we go.